Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? Now that's flamboyant. Welcome to the intriguing world of collective nouns, those unique, often odd terms we use to describe groups of animals. It's not just about packs of wolves or litters of puppies. Oh no, the English language is far more whimsical than that. From parliaments of owls to murders of crows, we have an entire menagerie of peculiar names just waiting to be discovered. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of animal group names. Imagine walking into a prickle. Sounds painful, doesn't it? Well, not if you're talking about porcupines. Yes, you heard it right. Just as we humans love to give our friend groups quirky names, the animal kingdom isn't far behind. A group of porcupines is charmingly known as a prickle. Picture this, a bunch of spiky porcupines huddled together. It does seem like a prickly situation, doesn't it? Now let's talk about the feathery folks. Ever heard of a murder of crows? Sounds ominous, doesn't it? This term dates back to the 14th century and is believed to be inspired by the often villainous representation of crows in folklore. Speaking of birds, let's not forget our jet-black friends, the ravens. An unkindness of ravens? Seems a bit harsh, don't you think? Ravens are known for their intelligence and complex social structures, but they also have a bit of a reputation for being a bit, well, unkind. This term likely stems from the bird's symbolic association with trickery and deceit in various cultures. And finally, let's talk about the wise old owls. Who would have thought that a group of these nocturnal creatures is referred to as a parliament? It's indeed a fitting term, considering owls have long been associated with wisdom and knowledge. After all, a gathering of wise individuals deliberating over important matters does sound like a parliament, doesn't it? So the next time you stumble upon a group of animals, don't be too surprised if their collective name is a bit out of the ordinary. The world of collective animal nouns is as fascinating as it is peculiar, full of unexpected turns and intriguing discoveries. From the prickly porcupines to the wise parliament of owls, each name tells a story, and each story adds a dash of charm to the vibrant tapestry of the animal kingdom. And you thought your group of friends had a unique name. Next time you see a group of rhinos, remember to address them as a crash. It's only polite. Yes, you heard it right. Our journey into the animal kingdom's peculiarities continues with this unexpected term. These heavyweights of the wild don't just gather, they crash together, charging through the savannah with their unique blend of grace and sheer power. And speaking of unexpected terms, ever heard of a bloat of hippopotami? It might sound like a cheeky jab at their well-rounded figures, but it's actually a nod to their behavior. Hippopotami spend a lot of their time wallowing in water, appearing bloated as they enjoy their aquatic lounging. Moving on to a more elegant image, picture a tower of giraffes. It's not hard to see why this term was chosen, considering their incredible height and the way they seem to tower over the African landscape. Now, you might be wondering, who comes up with these names? Well, many collective nouns date back to medieval times, used by hunters and writers to add a bit of flair to their tales. These terms capture the essence of the animals they describe, painting a vivid picture in our minds and showcasing the remarkable variety of life on our planet. And so we've uncovered just a few of the idiosyncrasies lurking within the animal kingdom. From crashing rhinos to bloating hippos to towering giraffes, each term offers a unique glimpse into the fascinating world of these creatures. So next time you're out in nature or at the zoo, remember these fun facts and impress your friends with your newfound knowledge. Who knew the animal kingdom had such a creative vocabulary? Now that you're an expert in animal group names, it's time to put that knowledge to use. Imagine, next time you're out and about, dropping into conversation, that you spotted an exultation of larks or a murmuration of starlings. You'll be the life of the party, trust me. And while we're on the topic, how about showing a bit of that love to us as well? A simple click on the like button is a cheer for the flamboyance of flamingos, while hitting share is a salute to the crash of rhinos. And believe it or not, every subscribe brings us all a step closer to uncovering more peculiar names together. In fact, why don't you get the ball rolling? Drop a comment below with your favorite odd name for a group of animals. It could be one we've mentioned in the video or something entirely new. We're all ears, waiting to be amazed by your picks. Remember, every like is a cheer for the flamboyance of flamingos. Every share is a salute to the crash of rhinos. And every subscribe brings us closer to uncovering more peculiar names together. So don't forget to hit those buttons and share your favorite animal group name in the comments below.